Hi guys, welcome to Authentic Drummer. Thanks again for watching. This is part 5 of a series of lessons devoted to playing singles with the snare and doubles with the bass drum. This last lesson we're going to look at actually joining our group of 4, which is right, left, kick, kick, to our group of 6, right, left, kick, kick. Okay? And so we're just going to take you through some of the ideas. PDF is attached to this lesson at the site. Make sure you jump across and grab that for free, and you can follow along. So first of all, we're going to try. I've done a combination on the page, and you can see it if you have a look at it. But a group of 4, group of 6, group of 4, group of 6, group of 6, group of 4, and then there's 2 at the end that are little random guys fitting in there. Okay, so have a go following along. I'm going to play it with a groove. I'm going to play it on the snare, and then I'm going to do it onto the toms, and we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're going to try the same sort of idea, but we're going to try using some 16th note triplets. All right, so this is a slightly different again. So it's a different combination. All right, but because it's in the triplets, it'll sound different and it'll cross differently. Okay, on the bar. So it tricks your ears a little bit when you hear it. Okay, here we go with the groove. Okay, so now that brings us up to our next lot of exercises. I'm going to take that, I'm going to do another version of the triplets as well, because I do like them. Eventually what happens after you've done a few of these, I've got them preset so you can sort of have a look at some exercises, but often what happens is once you've kind of got the combinations down, you can just have a play and you can just make them up yourself as you go. So you'll be just in the heat of the moment, you might try a triplet fill and your instinct starts to take over. Okay, so in some ways, practicing them in this fashion, the way I'm doing them now, is almost a little bit unnatural. But yeah, I'm going to show you another version. So we've got a group of 6, a group of 4, a group of 6, a group of 4, and then we've got 4 snare drums left at the end. Okay, sounds a bit like this. Okay, so that time I used the split tom idea. You can split between the toms, the snares, whatever you feel like, all right? It's completely up to you. All right, we're going to do one more exercise related to this topic, and we're going to do it in 30-second notes. So it gets quite quick, and this is really when you start to hear, for me anyway, when I started listening to some real, the gospel drummers and the R&B drummers, they use this sort of stuff a lot. And they're obviously doing these combinations, so it's kind of cool to have a few under your belt. Okay, I'm going to do this one slowly so you can see first, and then we'll speed it up after that. All right, so I'll demonstrate it on the snare first without the groove, and then I'll do it with the groove. Okay, so let's try that with a groove. now I'm going to demonstrate it again slowly, and I'm going to do it using the toms this time as well. So we're going to do a bit of splitting action and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so it sounds like this at a slow tempo. All right, I'm going to do that with a groove now. Okay, so completely up to you how you start to take all that and throw it all together, but I hope you got something out of those series of lessons. Remember to subscribe and stick with us, there's more coming. See you soon.